Hi everyone! Today we're going to make an accordion book. It's easy and fun to create and very flexible to use with your lessons. For this tutorial, we'll make one accordion book for one single student. So let's get started. You need 3 sheets of paper. Add more if you'd like to make it longer. Now fold your paper into a triangle like this, and again like this. Now fold it into a rectangle shape like this, and once again into another rectangle. Open the sheet. Now bring the 2 corners together. Watch carefully. Repeat the same process for the second sheet of paper. Remember the 2 triangles and the 2 rectangles that you need to fold. Bring the 2 tips or corners together into one. So we've made one, and then another one, and a third one as well. Now it's time to glue the pieces together. Here you'll notice the yellow sheet of paper is placed on top of both the first and the third sheet. Use your glue to glue the overlapping squares, like this. Ta-da! So I've glued all my pieces together, 1, 2, and 3. Now if I like, I can actually add on more paper if I want to. But I'll just stick to 3 for now. Now stretch them apart and put them back together like this. So here's an example of a student project. Let's look inside. The topic is on my favorite food and is about pizza. You can see some ingredients that go into pizza like tomatoes, pineapples, and cheese.
I like tomatoes. I don't like olives. I like pizza. Yummy!
You can also create class accordion books. I'm curious, how would you use this in your lesson? If you liked this video, press like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye-bye.